Okay, I got it here, as you can see, through the hole and there, right. So now I gotta tighten it very carefully, and then I will cut the extra bit from the tight. As you can see, it's getting better. So as soon as I tighten it up very well, the problem's gone. All you need to fix this is to remove the door, as I said, apply, and there is a little difficult place here, but nothing terrible. So just show you what you gotta deal with. You're gonna need to somehow put this together so it goes out easily. What I did use, that thing, but just use a regular bit out of your markers, the colors, whatever, pencil. So you put it there inside, so the stoppers will go tight, and then it moves out. Easy peasy. Good luck, guys. Done. Just a cable tie.